This is Liquid Lord and Chef Tango with TCAP recipes. And today, we're going to recreate two of Lucas Werner's favorite recipes in a way that will yeet you a bay in no time at all. And just in time for summer.
Let me tell you, little Gen Z college chicks, about
making your own Cesar salad with feta cheese.
Right now.
Before we make our salad, we need to make our own homemade croutons. I'm going to begin with half a cup of regular olive oil. That's thing one. Thing two, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. Next, give it a good mix and we're going to let it set for about an hour or so. While the garlic oil does its thing, we're going to take this day-old baguette that just appeared and start cutting it up. Truth be told, you could buy pre-made croutons, but they do have a tendency of being salty and dangerous, and nobody likes that.
You know what I don't like? I don't like the fact that you know women and you won't give me a hookup. You won't hook me up with any phone numbers.
With homemade croutons like this, you'll have more phone numbers than you'll know what to do with. Which reminds me, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Afterwards, put the croutons in a bowl and add your garlic oil. Next, we want an even coating of garlic oil all over our croutons.
I want all the lovely Gen Z women in Spokane
To add half a cup of Parmesan cheese, followed by some salt and pepper to taste. Next, add half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, along with half a teaspoon of paprika. Next, add your spice and cheese mixture to the croutons. After you're done mixing, go ahead and put them on a baking sheet. You want them single layer. Doing it any other way simply isn't in the cards. And now that the oven is at 400 degrees, I'm going to throw these in for about 15 minutes. What's next?
age phobia.
Am I entitled to 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce? Apparently I am. Am I entitled to 1 teaspoon of garlic paste? Apparently I am. Am I entitled to half a lemon juiced? Apparently I am. Am I entitled to 1 egg yolk? Apparently I am. Am I entitled to giving this a quick mix? Apparently I am. Am I entitled to slowly adding a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil? Apparently I am. Why am I not adding anchovies? Because Worcestershire sauce has anchovies. Clap for my Caesar salad dressing wisdom. What kind of lettuce are we going to use?
A tube of marijuana.
No, Lucas, I don't need that kind of lettuce. We need romaine lettuce, but we don't need the root. All we need are the hearts. That's the part that has the longer telomerase.
You crank up the telomerase until we just can't have it anymore.
And now that we have our leaves picked out, there's only one thing left to do. Now that the salad is dressed, we're going to add a little more Parmesan and of course some feta. But we can't forget the croutons. Go ahead, Lucas. I want you to try this and tell me what you think.
Yada yada yada.
I'm so glad that you liked it. Hey, Lucas, could you thank my generous patrons for me?
Yeah, I just launched a Patreon. Click the link in the description below to give me money.
No, never mind. Stop right there. I would like to thank my generous patrons, everyone for holding it down on Streamlabs, and finally, viewers like you. Thank you for supporting the arms. Now about those cheesy cucumbers. My version requires no cheddar cheese at all. And as for Chef Mike, you could sit this one out.
No. You're wrong.
Everyone knows Gen Z girls between the ages of 18 and 24 love herbed cream cheese. And speaking of herbs, we begin with 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes, followed by 2 tablespoons of dillweed. And of course, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And everyone knows I can't do a recipe without some white stuff. And this time it's gonna be in the form of 8 ounces of softened cream cheese.
You need to stop doing that and actually show me where the women are at.
Actually, we need to add 2 tablespoons of pickle juice and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. And afterwards, give this a mix.
You f up!
Calm down, Lucas. I just forgot to add the herbs and spices. I can do it now.
If I had a girlfriend, I'd be calm.
Do I have a girlfriend? No, I do not. I am not calm because fuck you!
Lucas, watch your mouth. Originally, I planned to put the cream cheese in a piping bag and serve it that way. But unfortunately, as you can see here, it just wasn't in the cards.
However, here's the solution.
You can spread the cream cheese on instead of piping it.
I'm an atheist because of this.
I know you preferred the cheddar cheese microwaved ones, but I think you'll like mine just a little bit more. And with the addition of these little cherry tomatoes, you'll be able to yeet yourself a bait in no time, Lucas.
But
Sheriff's office down! Get down!
No!
Put your hands on your back!
bye!
Ouch, another blow to Lord. This has been Liquid Lord and Chef Tango with TCAP Recipes. If you like what you saw today, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell for future notifications. While you're here, go ahead and check out one of these other videos I made as well. And remember, don't forget to delete your archives. Bye, sweethearts!